Okay, here is a product demo for Thriftchain, right? Thriftchain is a saving platform. It allows our users to save as an individual and collectively as a group, either as a collector as a contributor. So in this part of Africa, that's in Nigeria, there's something we call Ajo or Isusu, where people thrift as a group. So it helps. Thriftchain is going to help manage that kind of situation because we have come to realize that there was a use case of when a thrift collector lost a memory. Because of that, all the funds were gone, and in case to prevent for security purposes, transparency and privacy, which is why we had to come up with Thriftchain, whereby people can actually save as an individual, they can also save as a group. Also, they can thrift gradually towards an asset acquisition. So we have an a list of assets like properties, we have reward assets to manage, right? They can thrift gradually towards the acquisition of that. So the first thing I want to do on Thriftchain is I want to get started by connecting my wallet, and I'll be connecting my MetaMask. Okay, this is after connecting my wallet, right? So after connecting my wallet, this is a new account. We have the assets dashboard for and the thrifters dashboard. The thrifters dashboard is to control or manage the individual savings and the group savings. While the assets dashboard is where you can list a new asset as an asset owner. You can pick an asset and thrift towards. So we have so many things. We have our individual saving module and group saving modules. So I just want to register. So let's say my username is user1 as my username. So am I an asset lister? If I want to have the options to list an asset, so I'll have to register. So I'll be approving this an asset lister. So yes, I'll be approving the transaction on chain, and then yeah, my registration is successful. So currently now, after this registration, I'm able to list assets on the platform, but we couldn't implement that because of time. So I will just go head right away into my thrifters dashboard where I have the new module. So the first thing I want to do is to create an individual module. So I'll be getting started with the title, which is going to be I want to save towards acquisition of an asset. Let's say I want to save towards my house rent, right? So let's say my house rent. Then the saving amount, let's say I want to target 30. What's the currency? Let's say 30, and I want to use FXRP. Say I want to be saving it daily. Then it's going to be deducted from my wallet. So when do I intend to start this saving? Let's say I would like to start tomorrow. Then when do I want to end? Let's say it's just for a week. Probably I want to end on Saturday. So what other thing? I create my saving module, and I'll be approving this particular transaction on chain. So I would like to approve this transaction. So I'll be confirming this transaction, and then my individual saving module should be created. My transaction is confirmed and my individual saving module is created. So let's I want to view the individual saving I just created. I'm going to be seeing that, which is this house rent. I can view details about it. Say yeah, this is the amount I said I want to target towards. Then I get to see the progress. If I want to save, I can save and I can withdraw. We have the emergency withdrawal and we have the normal withdrawal. That's when it has matured. That's the matured withdrawal. So our own revenue stream is basically going to be like upon every withdrawal. That's for matured withdrawal. There is a 1% that we are going to be deducting, while for emergency withdrawal we have a 2.5 penalty fee as the transaction fee. So the next thing I want to do here is to create another saving module, which is for group. So I'll be creating my new group saving module. Say I want to create a group for market women. Let's say market remain, and then and our target is say $100. So let's say what's the saving frequency? Maybe it's going to be a weekly contribution. So when what's the currency? Let's just go with USDT. Let's just go with USDT this time around instead of SFRP. So they can save in any currency of their choice. So when do they want to start? Let's say they are starting on Tuesday, and then the end time is going to be, let's say it's going to last for a month. So let's say it's going to be to September 30. Then how many participants would I like to add? Let's say I want to add 10 people to be part of my group members. So I would be confirming this, and also yeah, so I've confirmed that, and then my group should get created for now. So my transaction is confirmed, and then my group savings is already also created. So so this is the group I just created. This is the group I just created. So you can see that I am the admin, and this is going to run from this to September 30. So I can view details if I want to add every other members of the for if I want to add other members to this particular like I said 10 participants, right? So this is why I click on the join function. I add their wallet address, but some of these things we're not able to implement because of time. Then I can also save for others. We're not able to implement it, then we can withdraw. So one of the tool that we use from Flare is we use the Flare random number generator, especially for group creation, so that only valid group keys can be used to join this group. So that was one of the things we used from the Flare tools that were provided for us. I think that's all we were able to implement for this current app. We look forward to your positive response. Thank you.